Importance of diversifying SEO efforts. Why diversifying SEO is important? Diversifying SEO efforts is crucial because it allows you to reach a wider audience and increase your online visibility. By incorporating a mix of different tactics such as content optimization, link building, and keyword research, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. Benefits of diversifying SEO strategies. Improved rankings. By diversifying your SEO strategies, you can target a variety of keywords and search queries, increasing your chances of ranking for multiple terms. Increased organic traffic. Diversified SEO efforts can help drive more organic traffic to your website from different sources, leading to higher visibility and potential conversions. Enhanced user experience. By using a mix of tactics such as on-page optimization and quality content creation, you can create a better user experience for your website visitors. Long-term success. Diversifying your SEO efforts can help future-proof your online presence and ensure continued success as search engine algorithms evolve. Diversify SEO techniques. Content variety. Create a mix of blog posts, videos, infographics, and other types of content to appeal to different audience preferences. Keyword optimization. Target a variety of long-tail and short-tail keywords related to your business to attract different types of searchers. Link building. Build a diverse portfolio of backlinks from high-quality websites to improve your website's authority and credibility. Local SEO. Optimize your website for local search by creating location-specific content and listings. Conclusion. By diversifying your SEO tactics and strategies, you can maximize your online visibility, reach a wider audience, and ultimately drive more traffic and conversions to your website.